Hey guys, my name is Brisa and welcome to my channel. And today what we're going to be doing is playing with some slime I haven't played like since a month. It's orange slime. And then we're going to be doing stuff with it and adding too much ingredients to the little slime. So, whatever. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna place my camera somewhere where we could see. Okay, this is perfect. So now I'm gonna open it. Oh my god, it's like, I hope it's not watery. 3, 2, it looks watery. 3, 2, 1. It's not watery, guys, okay? Just like so, okay. Move this out of the way. Okay, it's really cool. The first thing we're gonna be doing is not adding, it's cutting. Make sure if you're following my direction, like cutting the slime, make sure you have an adult or a parent to help you. To help you cut. But if you're big enough, yeah, maybe. And I do a lot of Roblox videos. I do a lot of those. And maybe I'm gonna be posting not Roblox videos and Roblox videos. Okay, that's enough of the cutting. Now I'm gonna add, what should I add? Okay, starting with this to add, I'm gonna add oil. Okay guys, put them over here for you guys to see. Just a little tiny, oh, do you see that right there? Next to that bubble is right here. Oh my god, we may add more if this turns out to be good. I'm mixing it. Can't really mix up gooey slime. Wait, what did I just say? Okay, we're just gonna add a little bit more. Like maybe that much. Oh my god, my dumb camera doesn't want to focus. Be back. I'll be back. Okay guys, so now I just got all the ingredients. I forgot to get the, but I made this greasy. Okay, so it doesn't feel like nothing. Just made it a little bit kind of shiny, as you can see. Now I'm gonna add another ingredient, which is lotion. I'm gonna put it in here. So the lotion, I'm so tired. Oh, okay. So the lotion I'm gonna be adding is this lotion. It's kind of big, but it's fine. Just gonna add a little bit. Put it in there. It looks like shaving cream when you add it. Does it? Now we're just gonna close the cap and be back when it's done mixed. Okay, so I mixed it. I just shake the thing and it turned all white, so I'm just gonna shake it with my hands now. Shake it with my hands. I'm just gonna mix it with my hands now. Oh my god. As you guys can see, it's like, I need to get all that lotion on the slime. I'll be back when I'm done mixing. Yo! Guys, I almost got it all mixed in. It's just that I didn't kind of wash the cap. So I'm just going to clean it with a paper. Because it was kind of hard to mix in. It took like 10 minutes. So I kind of cleaned the cap. This. Kind of cleaned it out. The slime is really soft. The gooey slime is really soft. So yeah, we're going to add something else. And guess what it is, guys? is Dream Mountain Matamoose. We're just gonna get this much. Something. It doesn't want to like get off my finger, so I'm just gonna like start mixing it. I hope this changes the color, guys. Oh my god, I should have put on gloves, but I don't even have gloves. Oh, dang, let me close that thing first. I'm gonna get it off on my finger. Like this thing doesn't even want to like put this in its hands. My hands are gonna look really light. Look at my hands. Oh my god, I was not here for a makeup makeover. So I'm just gonna freaking do that. Look how much makeup I used. I mean foundation. I think it's foundation. I don't know about makeup. Boy, I hate makeup. Oh my god, like, please take off my hand. I won't. Okay, so I'm done. Now, this is the last thing we're gonna be adding. And for it to smell good, we're gonna be adding some. Do you guys know what it is? I'm gonna give you a little bit time to guess. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Perfume. We got this from the Gucci store. Only one, because this smells. Whoa, whoa, I do not want to mix this. The video's almost ending. I'll be back when I mix. Guys, so I'm done mixing. And it smells so powerful. And subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and thumbs up this video. And comment down below if you like this video. Bye, guys. Come back.